guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya, and in this video I am excited to share with you guys a part 2 continuation of the last video. I did share with you guys a spring phone theme and a spring wallpaper, which were super cute, so if you guys haven't watched that video, make sure to go watch it. But I did want to share with you guys part 2 with the same phone theme, and it is super cute, so I just had to use it again. And then I'll share with you guys the wallpaper that I kind of matched with it, and I feel like it's perfect for springtime, perfect for your phone, and I love it. So it deserved its own video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys do, make sure to give it a thumbs up so I know to make more of these videos. And let's just get this video started.
Alright, so like I mentioned, I'll be using the same phone wallpaper theme that I shared in the last video, and it is free. So here are the brand new wallpapers that I wanted to share with you guys. They are so stinking cute. I just had to share and show you how cute they are. And I think these go very well for the springtime as well, and go really well with the phone theme that I just showed you guys. And okay, so pretty much we just have little characters, just super cute doodles, and I love the way that it looks. And then this is how the home screen looks like. So we just kind of have the pastel colors as well. Look at how that cute spring flowers look. I actually think that this could also work for the other wallpaper that I shared with you guys in the other phone theme. I feel like they would both look really good together if you guys alternate between the four different images. And I think the icons look really good. The application icons match very well. They're white, so I feel like it just looks good overall between both of these wallpapers. And this is how the other icons look like. I did go more in depth in the other video just on the phone theme itself, but I'll just share with you guys really quickly on how it looks like here, if you guys did not watch the other one. But pretty much this goes really well. Super cute colors. I love the way that it looks. And yeah, so I'll share the details here. And if you guys do want to get some of these wallpapers, make sure to DM me and I will definitely provide these for you. I hope you guys like this part 2 video. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!